So like in any industry, when it comes to developing Android apps, there's a lot of things one must know. So Google developers decided to put together a really neat tool that allows you to actually understand even more all of the lingo, all of the language, the syntax of this realm of Android development. So if you go to developers.google.com, Android /for all /vocab words like this, I'll have this link for you. You come to this awesome tool here. I love this tool. It's amazing. For instance, you see to the right here, we have access modifier and we have activate and create. If you click on any of these, it gives you the entire explanation. It tells you exactly what, for instance, an access modifier is. Explains everything in a lot of details, and we have here images. So you can go ahead and read definition so you can understand better why, for instance, we create private instance variables and all that. Okay, so even though you may know the basics by now, you've watched me do all these things and I've explained, but it's always nice to have this tool handy so that whenever you're stuck or you want to know more, you can come here and just look up at the vocabulary. And the cool thing also is that we have this other tab that has the sample code, right? So now you see private int model. We've seen this before, and we have a constructor, and it gives the example of what they're explaining, the access modifier here, the private in this case. The other thing also, if you go back home, you can come here and, for instance, say activity. There we go, activate and create. You want to understand what it does and how it works really. And they have very nice images explaining exactly how that works. So it's a very awesome tool that I think you should have in your arsenal of tools as you learn more about Android development. If I also go ahead and click on the next, it keeps going. Go next. Assignment operator, very basics, how to assign X as a variable. In this case, we're saying 10 times 2 is 20. It's going to be inside of X equal assignment. Very, very, very handy. So they really do a good job. There is another tool for your arsenal of tools.